Wow.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern River County in northern Utah. The damage is in Box Elder County in northern Utah, northwestern Davis County in northern Utah. It's 3:14 miles west of River Oregon, 13 miles southwest of Reagan City, moving east of 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated and Ethernet confirmed. Intact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, Tremonton, Roy, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hooper, Perry, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, Bear River City, Queen, Nebo State University, South Willard, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, West Haven, and Pleasant View.
This alert already expired. Why are you relaying it now?
Markers 339 and 380. Interstate 84 between mile markers 42 and 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on near Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from apparent thunderstorm.
Wait, has it expired?
Thunder,
Not sure.
close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the front.